29th of February 2024. Look at all the happy faces. For 6 months, the planning to see the northern lights. 2024 being the year of the northern lights. We all decided to travel to Tromsø. Here we are at the terminal T2 catching Lufthansa flight to Frankfurt and from Frankfurt to Tromsø. It's a small little city in Norway. This is Tromsø Island, one of the many islands of Norway. This is a picture taken from my plane. A beautiful small airport. Enjoy the airport. On landing, we are here outside and we have a car to pick us up. It's a nice big car loading up from Tromsø airport. Snow everywhere. Very slippery. We are still learning to walk on the snow. Here is a happy face. Finally, we are in Tromsø. Here, the sign says, "Welcome to the Arctic capital, Tromsø." And it's the capital where you definitely do not get disheartened to see, not to see the northern lights. Sitting in the car, we reached our hotel, Clarion the Edge. It was a beautiful location, very, very close to the waters. And it was so close to every possible bus station that we were just had to walk on to our next destination. Here again, look at the reflection onto the sea. The port is so close. This is the famous bridge called the Sandensung Bridge of Tromsø, and we've traveled this bridge up and down to go to various islands. Do you know Norway is made up of more than 20,000 islands? It's a beautiful place and a nice walk around gives you the whole city outlook. Out came the warm wares, and we were not at all tired, so we went to see the magic ice bar. It was just opposite our hotel. There were ice statues. There was a statue of a cat, a dog, a bear, and there was a table where you can sit, a chair where we are sitting here. You can see all of us, all the gear. You can rent it out at this place and return it back to them. It is included in your ticket, which you have to buy. If you ask me, really, it is nice to be here, but if you have been to Switzerland or any other place, then this can give it a miss. The fresh day, next day, morning, After a beautiful heavy breakfast, we sat out into the trip to the Fords. We reached the bus terminal, which was bang opposite our hotel, and we went across towards the Whale Island. Here is the picture of many tents which we saw on the way. On the way, we also saw wild reindeers feeding away. It was a wonderful sight, and the sight of snow and learning to walk on the snow was really, really a difficult task, but a beautiful scenery just takes away every possible gloom you can have. Here we are posing away near the Whale Island, Norway's fifth largest island. Valoya is what they call it. It was cold, it was breezy, and we really were brave enough to come out and sit near the lakeside. This area, a little away, is Hakoya, and at this area, we were told about the history of Norway, how Norway was so important in 1944 with the World War II. It had the biggest battleship built by the European Navy, where it was kept there during the war, and lots of people tried to shrink it, but it did not sink at all. I'm sorry, not shrink, sink it. But finally, they said it did sink after a huge battle at the place called Terpsit. Terpsit. We drove past a fjord, the Kal Fjord, and then visited the Fjord. To check out the fords, look at the beautiful scenery. Here is this beautiful ford in front of us. The clear waters and the majestic mountains rising up, all snow peaked. Here, all of us on the snow. Back is the ford, the Fjord. It's a wonderful scenery to be around. Uh-oh, he doesn't want to wear warm coat because he wants to make himself look nice near the ford. Oh my, look at her. The guide is trying to guide her, asking her to come down and not get scared of the snow at all. But here Mickey is getting very scared to walk on the snow. Here again, the beautiful fjord. Just look at the majestic scenery. We drove all along the fjord, and here you can see the roadway and little people down here as well, living in these circumstances. We parked our vehicle. You can see the mini bus behind, and there were a little picnic spot at this lovely beach where our guide lit up a fire, which I will show you in the next slide, and cooked up a little soupy, noodly type of meal with a hot juice, which we were enjoying in the cold as well. Here is the fire and the beach, and we are sitting on reindeer skin because all the benches also were very wet. But reindeer skin to sit on is nice and warm. Here is the campfire like, trying to make ourselves a little warm. Here you can see Mickey not really enjoying the noodly soupy meal she is having. We passed by Sorvanat, that is the big lake, and even Lilvanat, that means the little lake. So these two lakes we did pass by, and if we did stand there for a few minutes to get good pictures of it as well. While going backwards towards home, we were returning back via Goat's Ford. We saw reindeers, again wild ones, feeding away on the top of the hills. They had come down because it had got warmer as well. This is the route we took right from Hokkaido down back to Tromso. The route taken is shown by Google Maps just for educational purposes. This was the fjord trip in the morning. Await my next YouTube for the evening shows.